Hello guys, quiet personal fans and durable automotive heaters, engineered for dependable comfort and long-lasting performance. Number 1. Coficoi 2-in-1 Car Fan and Heater. The Coficoi 2-in-1 Car Fan and Heater is a 200W, 12V portable vehicle heater and cooling fan designed for cars, SUVs, and RVs. It features dual heating and cooling modes, a 360 degrees rotating head with adjustable tilt for targeted airflow, and a compact dashboard-mounted design that helps defrost and demist windshields while improving cabin comfort year-round. Number 2. FlyQintess Car Fan. The FlyQintess Premium Rechargeable Car Seatback Fan is a portable, wireless cooling fan designed for drivers, passengers, babies, kids, and pets. Powered by a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery, it features 5 adjustable fan speeds, an LED display, a hidden fold-out stand, and a detachable headrest mount for versatile use inside or outside the car. Its unique aromatherapy compartment helps freshen the cabin while providing quiet. Number 3. QIFUN 12V Car Fan. The QIFUN 12V Car Fan is a portable dual-head cooling fan designed for cars, SUVs, RVs, and boats, providing powerful airflow for rear seat passengers and pets when the vehicle's air conditioning is insufficient. Featuring 360 degrees rotatable 4-inch fan heads, stepless speed control, and a sturdy headrest mount, it allows customized cooling in any direction. Number 4. Clip-on Car Air Conditioner Fan. The 2026 Clip-on Car Air Conditioner Fan is a versatile rechargeable personal cooling device that functions as a car fan, handheld fan, desk fan, waist fan, and wearable neck fan. Featuring 360 degrees rotation, an LED display, and up to 200 adjustable speed settings, it delivers customizable airflow for use in vehicles, offices, outdoor activities, and travel. Number 5. ChillGo Neck Fan. The ChillGo Neck Fan is a foldable, bladeless wearable fan designed for hands-free cooling during travel, outdoor activities, and daily use. Powered by a 5200 mAh rechargeable battery, it features an advanced 4-turbo, 4-motor airflow system that delivers strong yet quiet cooling, while adjustable air vents let you direct airflow for personalized comfort. Number 6. FlyQintess Portable Turbo Fan. The FlyQintess Portable Handheld Turbo Fan with Cooling is a compact rechargeable personal fan featuring a 5-blade turbo motor, 5 adjustable speeds, and a metal cooling plate that provides an instant refreshing sensation for hot days. Its 180 degrees foldable design, 4-mode LED display, and rechargeable battery deliver up to 12 hours of runtime, making it ideal for travel, outdoor events, the office, commuting, and sports. Number 7. THINKCAR VENU iPRO. The THINKCAR VENU iPRO is a professional TPMS diagnostic, sensor programming, and activation tool designed for use with Muker 892BT, 689BT, ThinkTool series scanners, and the iVenu mobile app. It supports 315 MHz and 433 MHz TPMS sensors, providing sensor activation, programming, relearn, and OE-level tire pressure diagnostics for over 140 vehicle brands. Number 8. 220V/110V Carpet Cleaner Machine. The 220V/110V Carpet Cleaner Machine is a powerful portable deep cleaning solution designed to remove stubborn stains from carpets, couches, upholstery, car seats, furniture, and pet messes. Combining high-temperature steam, strong suction, and spray extraction technology, it effectively lifts dirt, odors, and embedded debris while leaving surfaces cleaner and drier. Hello friends, that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already and leave a like. See you in the next video.